Tibetan villagers, dressed in bright garb, toil in harmony, the plateau alive with the rhythm of their daily lives. All tranquility is shattered as the grotesque demon bursts forth, its vile presence spawning waves of panic. Filled with determination, Sonam prepares for the confrontation. He readies his heart and mind with wisdom and compassion for the journey ahead. Sonam enters the haunting den, an ambience of ancient evils permeating the air. He positions himself, legs folded, poised and undisturbed by the lurking presence. Amidst the demon's intimidating antics, Sonam's voice remains steady, the holy words unfaltering. Over time, the demon's furious glare softens. A subtle shift towards intrigue, sparked by Sonam's composed nature. The demon ponders its relentless quest for dominance. It contemplates the purpose behind its own desires. The change in the demon was remarkable. Renouncing its worldly desires, it stood before Sonam. As it relinquished its pain, a transformation unfolded. The demon began morphing into a sage brimming with wisdom. The demon undergoes a profound transformation, embodying the tranquil spirit of the Dharma. Sonam escorts the transformed sage along the winding paths to her village. His return is met with awe by the villagers. The tale of the demon's downfall and transformation travels far. As our story draws to a close, Sonam stands among her fellow villagers.